The political landscape of India has once again demonstrated its dynamism and unpredictability. While the Bharatiya Janata Party secured a significant lead with 240 seats, the results revealed several dramatic victories and unexpected upsets. Today, we focus on the giant slayers, the underdogs who took on political heavyweights and emerged victorious. Let's delve into the stories of five remarkable individuals who turned the tide in their constituencies. Our first giant slayer is KL Sharma of the Congress Party. Sharma clinched the prestigious Amethi seat, defeating the incumbent MP and Union Minister Smriti Irani with a staggering margin of 1,67,196 votes. This victory is particularly notable as Irani had famously unseated Rahul Gandhi in the 2019 elections. Sharma's win in Amethi is a testament to his strong grassroots connection and effective campaign strategy, marking a significant turnaround for the Congress in this key constituency. Next, we move to West Bengal, where TMC's Yusuf Pathan won the Baharampur seat by defeating Congress leader Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary with a margin of 85,022 votes. Chaudhary, a prominent figure in the Congress, has been a formidable force in the region. Pathan's victory signifies a shift in voter sentiment and the growing influence of the Trinamool Congress in Bengal's political arena. In North Kashmir, we witnessed a dramatic upset as National Conference, also called NC, Vice President and former Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Omar Abdullah conceded defeat to independent candidate Sheikh Abdul Rashid, popularly known as Engineer Rashid. This victory in the Baramulla constituency showcases the electorate's desire for change and Rashid's appeal as a grassroots leader who resonates with the local population. While not an underdog in the traditional sense, Shashi Tharoor's victory in Thiruvananthapuram deserves mention. The Congress incumbent MP won his seat for a record fourth term, defeating BJP's Rajiv Chandrasekhar by 16,077 votes after a fiercely contested battle. Tharoor's win highlights his enduring popularity and effective representation of his constituents in Kerala. Finally, we turn to Himachal Pradesh, where Bollywood actress Kangana Ranaut made a remarkable political debut. Contesting on a BJP ticket from Mandi, she defeated Congress's Vikramaditya Singh by 74,755 votes. Ranaut's victory is a significant political statement showcasing her transition from a film star to a formidable political force. Her campaign resonated with the local electorate, and her win marked a new chapter in Mandi's political narrative. These five giant slayers have not only unseated some of the most influential political figures, but have also reshaped the political discourse in their respective regions. Their victories highlight the unpredictable nature of Indian politics, where grassroots connection, effective campaigning, and resonating with voter sentiment can lead to extraordinary outcomes.